Now the Phantom Dust colorway and the black and white colorway will be dropping September 4th on the sneakers app. The retail price tag is set at $110 US. Now, this design is super crazy to me. Obviously, it's a women's exclusive. They do this a lot with the women's exclusives, which are kind of weird. I feel like they take good models and they completely ruin them, which sucks for the females. Now, obviously there are some guys who can fit in the higher women's sizes, so I know there will be guys going for this shoe. There is a problem with it though, and I'll get into that later. Now, I will be leaving places to cop the shoe in the description below, and I will go over resale and whether or not I think this shoe will have resale value. But before we do that, let's just look over these models. First off, we have this Phantom colorway, white and red. Honestly, it's a pretty decent colorway. You have leather on the outer lays with this mesh material on the underlays. Now, they did throw in the little flap on the lacing section up at the top of the shoe. I personally don't like it. I think it just looks kind of weird, but I get they're trying to be creative. It just seems like a bit much. Now, the tongue is white. It does come with white laces. I imagine some red laces would look good on this shoe. You have a red lining, red insole with a white Nike logo on that insole, white midsole with a solid translucent outsole. Now, then you have the black and white colorway. Pretty much the same thing, just in a black and white color scheme. I don't really feel the need to really go into it. Technically, just have black outer lays and white underlays, a solid outsole instead of a translucent one. But let's get into resale. I'm not 100% sure this shoe is gonna have any resale value. Now, I definitely think the shoe will sell out. I don't think that's gonna be an issue. I think it will sell out. But as far as resale goes, you know, I see the shoe reselling for $20 to $50 over retail. Anywhere from that $100 to $160 price range. Like, I really don't see this shoe going over $160. I just wanted to get your guys' input on this sneaker because it's very interesting, very different. You're taking a classic silhouette. I don't want to say destroying it, but you're really just changing it up completely. Again, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
I don't trust no one but a guy that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 through that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done, nigga. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a guy that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 through that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best